HP App for PCs Introduction. The HP App is your go-to for managing your HP device and accessories. You can set up your device, personalize settings, and get support all in one place. The HP App comes pre-installed on your HP PC. If you do not have the app, you can download and install it from the Microsoft Store. To open the HP App, click the HP App icon in the Start menu. When you open the app, you will find your HP PC and other devices. The battery status or charge level displays just below your PC. To sign into your HP account, click Sign In and enter your account details and password. Click the User Profile icon to manage your account, request support, modify settings, report bugs, and send feedback to HP. You can click the notification icon to change your notification preferences. To view product information and feature controls, click the white tile. On your computer details page, shown here as My Computer, you will see a list of device settings. Simply click each button to view more details about your device. The Devices button displays details of attached devices, such as a keyboard or mouse if installed. It's important to know that device controls may vary depending on your PC. The Audio control allows you to customize audio settings for movies, music, and conference calls. Opening the Video control allows you to use Polycamera Pro software to configure visual and background settings for videos and virtual meetings. With the Programmable Key control, you can assign functions to select keys for keyboard shortcuts to quickly launch apps, open files, and run commands. The Battery Manager control displays the device's battery specifications and options to optimize the battery performance. The System control offers performance control tools such as SmartSense to optimize performance. With the Presence Detection control, you can use security settings to protect your on-screen data from onlookers. The Energy Consumption control provides energy-saving tools to minimize the PC's power consumption. Scroll down to learn more about the new HP App. To find support tools like troubleshooting your device or getting help from a virtual assistant, scroll down. Also, you can view your product information at the bottom of the page.